Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Researcher Media. In continuation of MCQ series on FSSI syllabus, today we are going to take different MCQs on Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. Those are new for our channel, please subscribe our channel Researcher Media and also join us on Telegram for coming 1000 MCQ series on FSSI syllabus, and the link for Telegram will be given in the description. And we have uploaded video on the Codex Alimentarius Commission and FSSI previous year papers and the human nutrition and BIS, EIC, EPIDA and MPIDA videos. So you can visit our channel. In series, the first question is chairperson of the Central Advisory Committee is option A FSSI chairperson, option B commissioner, option C chief executive officer, option D designated officer. So the right answer will be C, chief executive officer will be the chairperson of Central Advisory Committee. Question second, which section of Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 empowers the Food Authority to establish the scientific panels which shall consist of independent scientific experts? The section 4, option B is section 10, option C is section 13, option D is section 14. So the right answer will be the section 13 is in FSSI Act 2006 empowered the establishment of scientific panels. Question third, which section of Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 empowers the Food Authority to establish the scientific committee? Option A section 4, option B section 10, option C section 13, option D section 14. The right answer will be the D, section 14 is for the establishment of scientific committee. Question 4. The Food Authority shall constitute scientific committee which shall consist of option A the chairpersons of scientific panels, option B 6 independent scientific experts not belonging or affiliated to any of the scientific panel, and the option C is both A and B, and the option D is none of the above. So the right answer will be the C, both A and B is the right answer. Question number 5th. In the following, which one empowered in Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 to organize public hearing? Option A Central Advisory Committee, option B Scientific Panel, option C Scientific Committee, option D all the above. So the right answer will be the C, Scientific Committee is empowered to organize public hearing. Question number 6. No insecticide shall be used directly on article of food except fumigants registered and approved under the Insecticide Act. Insecticide Act, option A is 1968, option B is 1954, option C is 1965, option D is 1960. So the right answer will be the 1968. Question number 7. Drugs and Cosmetic Act is option A 1940, option B 1954, option C 1965, option D is 1960. So the right answer will be the A. Drugs and Cosmetic Act is 1940. Question number 8. Select the incorrect statement about the foods for special dietary uses or functional foods or nutraceuticals or health supplements these foods may contain. Option A substances from animal origin, option B plants or botanicals or their parts in the form of powder, concentrate or extract. Option C is minerals or vitamins or proteins or metal or their compound or amino acids or enzyme, and D is parentals. So the incorrect is statement is D, parentals. The wholesaler or distributor shall be liable under this act for any article of food which is option A supplied after the date of its expiry, option B stored or supplied in violation of safety instruction of the manufacturer, option C unsafe or misbranded, option D all the above. So the right answer will be D. The wholesaler or distributor will be liable under this act for all three options. Question number 10. The seller shall be liable under this act of for any article of food which is option A sold after the date of its expiry, option B handled or kept in unhygienic conditions, option C misbranded, unidentifiable of the manufacturer or the distributor, and D all the above. So the right answer will be the D all the above. Question number 11. Authorities responsible for enforcement of act does not include option A food safety officers, option B commissioner of the food safety, option C designated officer, option D food analyst. So the right answer will be the D food analyst. Question number 12. State appoints desks for efficient implementation of food safety and standard and other requirements laid down under this act and the rule and regulation made thereunder. Option A food safety officer, option B commissioner of the food safety, option C designated officer, and option D is the chief executive officer. So the state appoints the commissioner of food safety. The right option will be the B. Question number 13. Section of the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 empowered states to appoint commissioner for efficient implement of this act. Section 36, Section 30, Section 31, Section 37. The right answer will be the Section 30. Next question is, Commissioner of Food Safety shall perform all or any of the following functions. There are four statements. The first is prohibit in the interest of public health the manufacture, storage, distribution or sale of any article of food not exceeding 1 year. And he can carry out surveys of industrial units. And the statement third is ensure an efficient and uniform implementation of the standards. And the fourth, sanction prosecution for offences punishable with imprisonment under this act. Select the incorrect statement. Option A, statement first to fourth, option B, statement second and third, and option C, statement fourth, and D, none of the above. So all the four statement in reference to Commissioner of Food Safety is the right. So option D will be the right answer. None of the above statement is incorrect. Next question 15. Which section of Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 is for licensing and the registration of food business? Option A section 30, option B section 31, option C section 40, option D section 41. So the section 31 of Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 is for the licensing and registration of food business. So again I request please subscribe our channel to get coming videos on food safety syllabus, and also we are going to launch 1000 MCQ series on the FSSAI syllabus. There you can evaluate your preparation for the coming FSSI exam. These 1000 MCQs will be from all over the syllabus. Thank you for watching.